So if you've been following what I'm doing so far, I'm making this gun holder for our paintball gun, and I set it up with a servo and a motor, and what it's supposed to do is go left and right and then up and down. I want to show you guys something super cool. This is how it's work. With a continuous servo, I have 360 degrees left and right in a pretty good speed to have my platform completely running. Let's see if it can carry some weight. Yeah, it will work just fine. And this is going to carry my paintball gun in the new project I'm building. It's going to be the paintball vehicle. Going to be 1/5 scale with a paintball gun. You have to make one yourself. I'm going to show you how. This is the kind of one of the last steps. Let's put it on automatic. I'm using a servo tester, just showing you guys how it's work. Seems to be that this is going to be just fine. Perfect. Okay, so what we got here is the first test. I'm using a servo tester for my platform, and it's working like a charm. We still have to set up the up and down. I'm gonna move it a little bit. It's too close to the table and it's hitting the table, so it's not turning fully. Let's see that it's good. It's good. Okay. Ready? Aha! So my system is almost ready. 2 more servo and we are ready to go out and play wireless paintball. Aha! And then what we're gonna do now, we're gonna set up another servo for the tilt up and down, and then I'm gonna set up right there another trigger servo that will press the trigger for me, and this will be ready to go. And it's pretty quick. That's it. I'll hold this. I need to hold this because it's not bolted to anything yet, so it's kind of torquey. It's very quick. Aha! My radio control paintball gun is getting better and better. I just love it. I cannot tell you how much I love it right now. This is kind of something that I'm working in my head and not try to draw anything. I just manufacture the parts and I'm getting there. I'm so happy right now. I cannot even describe you guys. I'm sure you guys gonna absolutely love it. Already like, subscribe, share, tell anybody about it, because I may be gonna give one away.